Today's design time video is going to be more of a vlog. I have a couple of appointments today and I thought I would take you guys with me. The first one, I'm sitting in front of the gate. I am about 5 minutes early, so I thought I would film a little bit before I actually go in. I will try to film while I'm in there, but the lady's going to be home, so that makes it kind of hard. But my next appointment, nobody's gonna be home. No, so I think I'm gonna take my actual camera in. This is my phone. Anyway, my appointment right now is for a home that's not on the market yet. It's a $1.7 million home. Those don't sell as quickly. So this woman wanted me to come in and give her a quote for staging the home vacant, although they are still living in it and will be when it goes for sale, but they plan on moving out in a month. So if it hasn't sold in a month, they'd like to know how much it would be to stage. All right, I've got a gate code to take care of. So again, I'm gonna try to take you guys in. I don't know if that's gonna work, but I might try to sneak it. So we'll see. Bye. Okay, I know I'm videoing the wrong way, but there it is. It's pretty.
Drapes are staying. All the drapes stay. So in here, everything will be gone except the rug. So this would be the main floor master. I suspect it should probably be staged as a bedroom. Nothing will be here. Dining room. The only thing that will potentially still be here is the rug. Appliances are staying. Couch will be staying. So the main floor master is, obviously the main floor, but this is actually the master.
Got it.
I'm interested in what your opinion is.
Yeah.
Upper master.
Gone.
These will be gone. That master closet, obviously, will just be empty. Show you the playroom next. Those two pieces aren't going in any event. What's your thought on staging the upstairs master?
I'm back. So, very nice home. I was able to film pretty much the whole time. Yeah, that's a tough one. It's a really nice house, but it's got woodwork and all this very fancy stuff, and it really requires some special furnishings. And yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to write up a bid tonight and email it to her. Anyway, I'm gonna stop at home and then head over to my second appointment where we can have some fun and actually film. We're not going to make fun of anybody's style. We are just going to make it better. All right, we're here and we're kind of not out in the boonies, but more country style. I saw a sign on the way here for sale, goats and pigs. So as much as I wanted one, I didn't get one. Okay, so we're gonna take the good camera. The only not good part about it is the sound, because you can hear literally the autofocus going in and out on this bad boy. There. See? It's here. Okay, let's go. Make sure no one's home. All right. Office. Okay. That needs to be cleaned up. Oh, I'm gonna decide that later. This is okay. It just needs to be set. And those curtains need to go because they do not. Okay, listen everybody. Curtains need to touch the floor. They need to pull at the bottom. Okay. Okay. Table and chairs is not bad. Again, that. Okay. That's all right there. Okay, let's go upstairs. I think there's a doggy up there because we do need to look at the master bedroom. Okay. There's the master bedroom. Where's the doggy? Hi! I know. Okay, growl. Yeah, I don't know about that. I know, I'm sorry, I'm scaring you. This is like the bathroom in my house. Closets on each side. That's unfortunate. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. I know it's scary. Where's your walker, honey? Walker's late. Okay. I think I'm done looking. Yeah, I'm done. All right, so that home, it had a lot of stuff in it that I don't want in it because I know that that's not going to be very visually pleasing. It looks like furniture that was handed down to them by maybe their parents or their grandparents. Occupied staging is an hourly thing, and it'd be one thing if there were a lot of good things in that house to pick from and put things other places. Oops, I need to get over. What do you think, mister? You gonna let me? I don't know. Let's see. Thank you. You're nice. I mean, couch covers maybe? Because no on the couches, and pillows are not going to do the trick. So, I don't know. Today's appointments were very puzzling. I don't know that I have the right stuff for the $1.7 million home. Normally I would. It's not just the price point, it's just the details inside the house that makes me think that I won't be able to do it. Anyway, you guys, that's it for this video where you came with me to my staging appointments and nothing else happened. I'll see you guys next time on Design Time. Bye!